matrix now. I'll name the row first. Now the row is like this. All these are row, all these are row, all these are row. Then these are column, these are column. So I will say you name the row first before you name the column. So this is 1, 2, 3. So this is a 3 by what's a column? 1, 2, 3. So this is a 3 by 3 matrix. This is the order of this matrix. Or you say 3, they can use this to denote it as well. 3 by 3 matrix. Do we get it? So let's take some examples. I have 2, 7, 3. I have 3, 9, 4. And I have 1, 5, 3. All these are matrices. Then I said give the order of the matrix. So the order of this matrix is a 3 by 3 matrix. And how do I get that? This is row 1, row 2, row 3. Do we get it? So that's the first 3 here. Then the column 1, 2, 3. So this first 3 is for the row. Then the second 3 is for the column. Do we get that? So this is row. Then this is column. Do we get that? So let's give this is number 1. Then let's call this number 2. So I want to name this matrix as well. 4 minus 2, 1 minus 7. So I want to name this matrix or give the order of the matrix. So the order of this matrix is, I say you name the row first. So this is row 1, this is row 2. So this is a 2 by, this is a 2 by. So what is the column? 1, 2. So this is a 2 by, this is column 1, column 2. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So this is row, then this is column. Don't forget. Then let's name another matrix. Let's give the order of another matrix. Then we'll continue because we have a lot to cover under this matrix. I have 3, 0, minus 1. I have 0, 2, 1. So the order of this matrix now is what? The order of this matrix is what? I name the row first. This is row 1. This is row 2. So this is a 2 by, then column 1, 2, 3. So this is a 2 by 3 matrix. Okay, so let's give the order of this number 4. I have 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 2, 0, 6. So the order of this matrix now is very simple. I said I'll name the row first. The row 1, 2, 3. So this is a 3 by, then the column. The column is 1, 2. So this is a 3 by 2 matrix. Then let's name this number 5. I have 1, 2, 4. Don't forget I said we are naming the row first. So this is row 1, row 2, row 3. So this is a 3 by, how many column does it have? It has just only one column because the 1, 2, 4 are just on one column. So this is a 3 by 1 matrix. This is the order of this matrix. This is the order of this matrix. Then number 6, I have 3, 2, 1. So I want to give the order of this matrix now, or to name the matrix. So don't forget I say you are naming the row first. So the row is just one row, which is the roll on 3 to 1. So this is 1 by, then the column is 1, 2, 3. So this is a 1 by 3 matrix. So that is that for the order of a matrix. That is that for the order of a matrix. Let's do well to go over the video again and again and practice. So we'll go to addition, subtraction, multiplication of matrix right away. Alright, so we are going to addition of a matrix now. So I wrote here, I said note, when adding, you add matrices that are of the same order. We have treated order of matrix. So if you are adding, you add matrices that are of 2 by 2 matrices that are of order of 3 by 3, of 1 by 1, 2 by 1, 2 by 3, the same order. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix. So matrix A is a 2 by 2 matrix, and matrix B is also a 2 by 2 matrix. So I can easily add it. So the question said, if matrix A is equals to 4, 1, minus 2, 7, minus 1, 6, 2, and minus 5, they said find A plus B. So solution now. Solution. My lesson teacher will say soluki. Soluki, that means if you are a Yoruba person, or if you are from the West, if something is key, that means it's thick. But solution means something is watery. So solution or soluki. Alright, so that's just by the way. So we want to find A plus B. So this is A plus B now. I'm creating a column for A plus B is equals to, this is on row 1, this 4. So I'm adding it to this minus 1 on the same row 1, column 1. So this is 4 plus, because of that minus, I'll put it in bracket, minus 1. Then I'll move to the next number on the same row, which is minus 2. Alright, here I'll give a little space. So this is minus 2. Then I'll come to B as well for the next number. So that's minus 2 plus, this is 2, I'll write it. Do we get it? Then I'll come to the second row, first column on A. This is 1. Alright, 1. Then I will add it with this one here, which is 6, because they're on the same row and the same column. Then this is minus 7. For this one, I have minus 7. Then plus, because of the minus here, I'll put it in bracket, minus 5. So now, to get our final answer, A plus B, please follow more closely. That's why I had to deal with that basic operation of plus and minus. So I have 4. This is plus and this is minus. So plus times minus, like I've taught us before, plus times minus will give us minus. So 4 minus 1, that's what I have there. Then this one I have 1 plus 6 still remains. I don't want to jump any step, just follow. I want to deal with the sign first. This is minus 2 plus 2. Okay. Then this is minus 7. Let's deal with the sign. This is plus. This is minus. So plus times minus is what? Minus 5. So our final answer, A plus B, matrix A plus B, 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1 is what? 3. 1 plus 6 is what? 7. We are done with that. Then this is minus 2 plus 2. You are owing me 2 naira. You gave me 2 naira. You are not owing me anything again. So that's 0. It cancel out each other. Then this is minus 7 minus 5. You are owing me 7 naira and you are also owing me 5 naira. So altogether, you are still owing me. So I will add it and I'll put the minus sign to indicate that you are owing me. So that's 7 plus 5. That's 12 minus 12. So this is our final answer. It's very simple. All right, let's do another example that we have another type of order of matrix. So I have a 3 by 3 matrix. A, we have 2 3 1 7 9 5 3 4 3. Then for matrix B, I have 1 0 0 0 1 0 2 0 1. Then I said find A plus B. So let's follow more closely. So A plus B will be equal to, you pick the same number of the row and column for A, then the same number for row and column for B. So that's 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1, then you give a little space, move to the next one, 7 plus, what's the next number here? 0. Are we getting it? Please follow. Then the next number here is 3 on this side. Then the next number here is 2. 3 plus 2. We are done with that for the first row. Then come to the second row and column 1. So I have 3 plus, come to this side, 0. Then 2A back, 9 plus 1. Are we getting it? Then we have 4 under A, we have 4 plus under B, we have 0. Then the last row, now I'm doing the last row. So I have 1 plus this 0 under B, 0. Then I have 5 for A, I have 5 plus this 0 for B. Then I have 3, then plus, then I have 1. So this one is very straightforward because we do not have much negative or different signs there. So let's just add up A plus B. What will A plus B give us now? So 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 gives us 2. 3 plus 0 gives us 3. 1 plus 0 gives us 1. We are done with that. Then 7 plus 0 gives us 7. 9 plus 1 gives us 10. 5 plus 0 gives us 5. Then 3 plus 2 gives us 5. Then 4 plus 0 gives us 4. 3 plus 1 gives us 4 as well. So this is our final answer for A plus B. So you are going to solve now. You are going to solve this exercise for yourself. You know, I told you one thing about maths is after you've learnt a particular maths, you are going to make sure that you practice. So you are going to solve this question. So you are going to solve for, okay, let's say we have 3 4 1 minus 1 minus 3 3 2 3 0. This is matrix A. Is this is matrix A. Sorry for blocking it with my hand. Then matrix B. This is matrix B. I have 3 1 7 9 11 5. I have 7 7 7. So you are going to find A plus B. This for number 1. You are going to find A plus B. Then for number 2, we have minus 5 6 2 1 for matrix A. Are we together? Then for matrix B, we have minus 7 4 minus 2 and minus 1. So you are going to find as well for this 2 by 2 matrix A plus B. So these are the exercise you are going to solve for. So we'll move to transpose of a matrix. Oh, sorry, let's do subtraction of matrix first, of a matrix. So we have A equals to, matrix A equals to 4 1 minus 2 7, then matrix B equals to 1 minus 1 6, 2 minus 5. So they ask us to find matrix A minus matrix B. So follow more closely. So matrix A minus B, the same method, don't forget. So the first number in this row for A is 4, then minus, what's the first number here? Minus 1. So put this in bracket, minus 1. Then the first number here is minus 2, minus 2. So you minus it from 2, minus 2, minus 2. We are done with that. Then come to this next number. I have 1 minus, here is 6, so I'll write 6. Then this minus 7, so I have minus 7, minus, then the number here is minus 5, so put this in bracket, minus 5. Are we following? Please follow more closely. Trying as much as possible to carry us along so that we won't make mistake. So we have A minus B equals to, so let's deal with the sign first. This is 4, minus times minus is plus, so this one now is 4 plus 1. Then I have 1 minus 6 here. Then for this place I have minus 2, minus 2. Minus 2 means you're owing me 2 naira. Minus 2 also means you're owing me 2 naira. So altogether you're owing me 4 naira or $4, as the case may be. So that's minus 4. Okay, minus 2, let me still write it. I'm dealing with the sign first. Then the last one here I have minus 7, and minus times minus here is plus, so minus 7 plus 5. I have A minus B equals to, so my final answer is 4 plus 1, 5. 1 minus 6 is minus 5. Minus 2, I've said it before, that's minus 4. You're owing me $2. You also owe me $2, so that's minus 4. Then minus 7 plus 5, you're owing me 7 naira, and you have 5 naira. If you give me 5 naira or $5 out of the $7 you are owing me, it will remain $2 that you are still owing me, so that's minus 2. So this is my final answer for this minus. So the same process is applicable for both the plus and the minus. You add the same number of matrices of the same order, then you subtract the same order of matrices as well. Then you do for the 3 by 3, still the same thing. So let's go to transpose of a matrix because of our time. I don't want this video to be too long. Alright, so we'll move to transpose of a matrix. Then I said to transpose a matrix, you convert the row to column and the column to row. So let's take an example using some of the matrices we have used before. So if matrix A is 2 7 3 3 9 4 and 1 1 5 3, then I said find A transpose solution or soluki, as the case may be. Okay, so I said you make all the row to become column, make all the column to become row. So all the row to become column. So this is row 1. I'm starting with the row, so I'm turning this row to column now. So this 2 7 3 now I'll make it to be in column. So I will write it as 2 7 3. This is A transpose equals to, are we together? Then I'll move to the next one, 3 9 4. I'll make it to be in column instead of row. So this will be 3 9 4. Then the last one is 1 5 3. So I'll make it to be in column. I'm changing this row to column. So it will be 1, 5, 3. As simple as ABC. So this is A transpose. Can we see that? So you see that all the row has become column and all the column have become row. So let's look at another example under transpose of a matrix. Alright, so let's look at this second example. I have B is equals to minus 6, minus 1, 6, 2, minus 5. Then I said find B transpose. Solution, also look here. B transpose is equal to, this is my row, I'll turn it to become column. So this is minus 1, 2, and this is my row, I'll turn it to become column. This is 6 minus 5. As easy as ABC. So let's take another example. Let's say I have matrix K equals to 3, 0, minus 1. I have 0, 2, 1. I say find K transpose. Solution or solo key. Solution or solo key. So my K transpose is equal to, don't mind me, it's supposed to be an inverted bracket. So this is my row, I'll turn it to column. That's transpose. So this 3, 0, minus 1. Then this is 0, 2, 1. So I've turned all the row to become column. So that's K transpose. So let's move to multiplication of a transpose. So let's move to multiplication of a matrix. Okay, so we'll move to multiplication of a matrix. I have this question: 6 times this 3 by 3 matrix. So my solution or solo key, as the case may be. So this 6 is multiplying all of the numbers in this matrix. So I have 6 times this matrix. Let's say this matrix is matrix A now. So that's 6 times 3. That's for the first one. Then I have 6 times minus 1. Then I have 6 times 2. I'm done with this column. I move to the next column. This is 6 times 4. 6 is multiplying everything. Then this is 6 times minus 3. Then this is 6 times 3. Then for the last one, I have 6 times 1, 6 times 3, 6 times 0. So my final answer for that, 6 times 3 is 18. 6 times minus 1, there is an invisible plus. I told us the other time that every whole number is carrying a positive value. So there's an invisible plus here. So I have plus times minus, that's plus, minus rather. Plus times minus, that's minus. So 6 times minus 1, that's minus 6. Then 6 times 2 is 12. Are we together? Then 6 times 24, 6 times 4 rather. I'm seeing the answer already. It's 24. Then plus times minus is minus. Plus times minus is minus. Then 6 times 3 is 18. Then 6 times 3 is 18. Then 6 times 1. 6 times 1 here is 6. 6 times 3 is 18. And 6 times 0, any number times in 0 will give us 0. 0. So this is our answer. So that's that. The same thing if you have it by maybe a 2 by 2 matrix, a 3 by 3 matrix, just multiply that number by all of the numbers in the matrix. So thank you very much. Then the last but not the least is the determinant of a matrix. Determinants of a matrix. Alright, welcome to the last part of this math class. We have determinant of a matrix. We have 2 questions here, so I'm going to do number 1, then you are going to try out number 2 for yourself. So I'm just going to write out the likely final answer you are going to get for that number 2. I'm going to try out number 1, the same method you are going to use to solve for the number 2. So follow more closely. They said if matrix A is equals to 2, 6, 5, 5, 3 minus 2, 7, 4 minus 3, they said find the determinant of A. That is A, then that 2 line is the sign for determinant. This 2 line is sign for determinants, this one and this one. So it's unknown. This is question mark. So let's solve for this number 1, and then you are going to solve this number 2 for yourself. So let's solve this number 1. Please follow more closely. Thank you for following through. So I have A, determinant of A is equal to, then I'll write out all the numbers first. I have 2, 5, 7, I have 6, 3, 4, I have 5 minus 2 minus 3. Then in solving determinants, you introduce what I call the plus minus plus. That's the first thing, plus minus, then you introduce plus as well. Please follow me more closely. That's how you are going to do the second one. So you introduce plus minus plus at the top of the matrix you are given. So my matrix A now is equal to this first number on this first row and first column. I will bring it out, but the sign there is plus, so that's plus 2, or you can still write 2, it's still the same thing. So immediately I write 2 like that, I will write this sign, which is the determinant sign. Are we getting it? So I'll close this, all the numbers under 2, I'll close it. Then all the number under 2, which is the column, all the number in column 2, and all the numbers in row 2. Are we getting it? So it's going to be like something like this. So let me cover that with my biro and cover the second one with my hand, the row with my hand. So what am I left with? I'm left with 3, 4 minus 2 minus 3. Those are the 4 numbers I'm left with. So just like I want to reduce it, so I cover this side, I cover this side, and I cover this side. So I'm left with this, and this. So I'm left with 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. Do we get that? Let me do it again. I cover all the number here, and I cover all the numbers here under that 2. The number on the row and the number on the column. So I have 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3. Then the next sign here is minus. So I have minus. What's the first number under that minus? Is 5. Then I'll put my determinant symbol. So the same thing, I'll cover all the numbers under that row. Then let me look for a paper. Okay, let's continue. So this is minus 5. So like I said, I'll cover all the numbers under that minus 5. Then I'll cover the number on the column as well. So let me use this paper to cover the number on the column of minus 5. Then I will use my biro to cover the on the row rather. Then I'll use my biro to cover on the column. So what am I left with? I'm left with 6, 5, 4, and minus 3. Do we get that? I'm left with 6, 5, 4, and minus 3. I cover all this. Then I cover all this. Are we getting it? I cover all the row then all the column under that 5. Do we get it? Then the last one, just follow more closely, you get it. Plus 7, plus this is plus, then the number under that plus is 7. So the determinant sign, then you cover all the number on the row of that 7, and you cover all the number on the column of that 7. So what are we left with? You are left with 6, 5, 3 and minus 2. Cover all the numbers on the row of this 7, then cover all the numbers on the column of 7. Can you see it? So you have 6, 5, 3 minus 2. 6, 5, 3 and minus 2. So after you've done that, that's the first step. Then you multiply this by this, then put a minus. Okay, so let's wrap up with this one. So I said you multiply this with this, then you multiply this with this. You separate this and this with a minus. So this is what I'm trying to say. Please follow more closely. I have my determinant a equals to 2 plus 2 is the same thing as 2. Then you have, I said you multiply this with this 3 times minus 3. Diagonally, you multiply them diagonally. Yes, that's the word. So 3 times minus 3. Then this is a general minus you are introducing. Are you with me? Then this minus 2 times 4. Minus 2. This minus 2 times 4. So it will be minus 2 times 4. Can we see that? We are done with this part. So the next one is this minus 5. You write it out. Minus 5. Then you multiply this 6 by minus 3. Then minus it from 5 times 4. This is what I'm trying to say. I have 6 times minus 3. Then this is the general minus we're introducing. Then multiply by 5 times 4. Are we together? Then lastly we have plus 7. Then we have 6 times minus 2. Then minus 5 times 3. 6 times minus 2. Then this is general minus 5 times 3. Do we get that? Okay. So let's try to wrap it up now. We have spent so much time on this math. We have 2 into bracket 3 times minus 3 gives us minus 9. You know, I told us we should be careful of the sign. Then this is the minus sign. Then minus 2 times 4 is minus 8. We are done with that. Then minus 5 into bracket 6 times minus 3 is minus 18. Then minus 5 times 4 is 20. We are done with that as well. Okay. Then we have plus 7 into bracket 6 times minus 2, that's minus 12. 6 times minus 2, that's minus 12. Then minus 5 times 3, that's 15. Do we get that? So let's try to wrap it up. Our determinant a is equals to 2 minus 9. Minus times minus is plus. That's that for that. Then we have minus 5. Then minus 18 minus 20. Minus 18, you're owing me $18. You're also owing me $20. So you add it together and put the minus. So that's minus 38. Do we get that? Then plus 7 into minus 12 minus 15. So you're owing me $12. Minus 12 minus 15. You're owing me $12. You're also owing me. You're owing me $12. You're also owing me $15. So that'll be minus 27. That'll be minus 27. So let's finalize our answer now. 2 into minus 9 plus 8, you owe me 9 naira and you have 8 naira. If you pay 8 naira out of 9 naira, you are still owing me 1 naira. Minus 5 into bracket minus 38, then plus 7 into bracket minus 27. So you are just going to times through now. So determinant of A is equal to 2 times minus 1, that's minus 2. Then minus times minus is plus, that's plus. Then 5 times 38. So let me use my phone calculator. 5 times 38, so I have 5 multiplied by 38, it gives me 190. Can we see that? Then plus times minus is minus. Then I'll do 7. Plus times minus is minus. Then I'll do 7 times 2, 7. 7 times 27. 7 times 27, I have 189. So that's that for that. So my determinant A is equal to minus 2 plus 190. So let me just use the calculator so that will be fast. Minus 2 plus 190 minus 189. Can we see that? So my final answer is minus 1. Minus 1. That is my final answer. So thank you so much. Thank you for following through. I believe you've been able to get value. Thank you. We'll continue tomorrow for the day 2.